Hey everyone, welcome back to your System Fixer. In my last video, I showed you how to directly upgrade to Windows 11 26H2 via Windows Update. That method is the easiest option, because everything is handled automatically by Windows. However, the update depends on Microsoft's rollout schedule. If Windows Update is not showing the new version on your PC, what can you do? In this video, I will show you another method: performing an in-place upgrade using the ISO file. The biggest advantage of this method is that you can upgrade immediately, while keeping your personal files, installed apps, and settings. You don't need to format your drive, or set up everything again from scratch. As you can see, my PC is currently running Windows 11 25H2. In this tutorial, I'll upgrade it directly to Windows 11 26H2, using the Windows installer. First, we need the 26H2 ISO file. If you haven't downloaded the ISO yet, you can watch my previous video to get the ISO file. In this tutorial, I will skip the download process and start the upgrade. Right-click the ISO, and select Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive. Then you'll find the setup file in the drive. Double-click it, then hit Yes. And now you've just got to wait. This process may take several minutes, depending on your hardware. Okay, now, check the box and click Next. And it will check for updates. You've just got to wait here. Read the terms and conditions, and click Accept. Now you'll reach the Ready to Install screen. Here, make sure it says Install Windows 11 Pro. Keep personal files and apps. This is the most important step for an in-place upgrade. The installation process will take some time, and your PC will restart several times. Just be patient and let Windows complete the process. Alright, the upgrade is finished. After logging back into your account, let's confirm the Windows version. You should now see Windows 11 version 26H2. You can also check your installed applications and personal files to make sure everything has been successfully preserved. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and subscribe to your System Fixer for more Windows tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.